Okay, let's do Toad the Wet Sprocket. Something's always wrong. A couple things. I am in standard tuning. I am capoed on the 3rd fret, which is what it's kind of how Toad does it, both acoustically and even live, in as recent as 2024. There's a video of them doing the song of David Letterman, and in that case you would capo at the 5th and play the A minor shape, which I'll show you. And then the studio recording on Dulcinea is if you would capo it on the 6th fret. And actually that recording is a little bit sharper than that. But most of the acoustic versions of this, from what I see, if you capo on the 3rd, you'll be right there. So that intro riff is based on kind of an A minor shape, and it goes like this. To an F. Another day. You can really do this, arrange it how you wish. I think some of the versions, they just play that A opening riff one time versus doing it twice, and then they just go right into the singing. So it's it's an A minor shape, and then you lift that index finger off the B string. Then the next one will be where you're lifting the ring finger off the G, and then okay. Another day, I'd call and never speak, and you would say nothing's changed at all. I can't feel much hope for anything, and I won't be there to catch you if you fall. Again, we fail to meet again. The space is safe between intents. Always said too much won't be long, been gone. Oh, but something's always wrong. Another game of putting things aside, as if we'll come back to them sometime. Brace of hope, a pride of innocence, and you would say something has gone wrong. Again, we fail to meet and mend. We wend our way between intents. Always said too much won't be long and gone, and something's always wrong. And again, we fail to meet and mend. Wend our way between intents, and looking back and moving on. But something's always And that's about it. You can arrange it, make it longer or shorter as you wish. Pretty cool chords, pretty easy opening riff. And that seems, for me anyway, a good key. And it seems like Toad has moved it lower over the years to accommodate the singing versus the earlier studio recording. And probably when they played it live back in the day, they played it, you know, up here, capoed at the 6th fret. The only thing is, if you're going to play along with the record there, the record's a little bit sharper than you know, standard pitch capoed at the 6th, so you have to adjust it a little. But most of the live versions are either back at the 3rd fret or the 5th fret, probably to pitch. So good luck. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.